bucks, baby.
All right, y'all. What's going on? It's Yeti from Yeti Machine Co. It's gonna be a little special, little short episode. We're here at Paris Auto Speedway watching my boy Evan race. I'm a small sponsor for his race team, so we're gonna go watch him do some dirt track racing. What's going on, y'all? It's Yeti from Yeti Machine Company. If you're watching this, I appreciate you. If you do already subscribe to my page, awesome. If not, go subscribe, go give it a like. Also, just so you know, if you check out the link up top, got my website up there. I got shirts, I got hats, I got all kinds of cool stuff. So hit that up, get a shirt, support me. Thanks, y'all. This is my boy Evan. Owner, driver,
What's up,
3D. I've been sponsoring, helping him out a little bit over the last, 3 seasons now?
Going on 3 years.
So how'd we do in the practice? Did pretty good?
We did okay. We came in, made the change that we need to make. Getting ready to go out for our heat races and starting on the pole and hopefully finish on the pole, you know?
That's always the plan, right?
Trying to bring home some hardware. Put new tires on, bought new tires last night, put fresh tires on, set tire pressure. We noticed we got a little bit of a diff leak. It wants to foam up, but it's also cold. Once the fluid thickens up, it should settle down. Bro, these guys blowing motors. They sling motor parts. They sling ATF. They've grenaded all kinds of shit down the front stretch. So I don't think gear oil's on the top of their hit list.
Yeah, it's not like it's pouring out. It's just bubbling. All right, so this is his first heat race. So how he places in this heat race will determine where he places to start the main event. So, All right, so he just finished up his heat race, did really good, got third, started off in first. Someone that was on him spun out, but he did really good, making some adjustments to the tire pressure, but all in all, it sounds like the car ran great. I mean, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but from a spectator's point of view, it looked pretty good. So I'm happy for the boy. brake bleeder was packed full of mud, and so it wasn't allowing them to breathe the brakes without pulling the bleeder all the way out. So we had to do a little drill, a little bit of cleaning real quick to get it working. So.
All right, ready? Holding. Sorry. Oh shit! We bled the brakes, so I have brakes so I can force the car to set on the right rear. Wouldn't plan, it would just push the front end out from underneath it. So play with tire pressures, play with offset, play with spacers, and bled brakes. We should have a good race car for the rest of this week.
With getting third in the heat race, does that mean you're starting third in the main now, right?
I don't know. I gotta go. We'll walk down there and we'll take a peek at the board.
That bleeder was all gum. Dude, that thing was packed full of shit.
Dude, that shit was nasty.
Mud. Yeah, we had to drill it.
That's called Hillbilly Deluxe, baby. Third inside. Brandon, Sean,
What I'm looking at.
right here.
Okay.
So
I'll start
30.
to see.
Yeah.
If he gets a flat, I'm gonna hit him with the light, or if his car starts smoking or something starts fucking up, that way he can pull in, get into the pits before he has to do another lap.
I just made the best that I had. I was like, dude, we just gotta make something fucking stick. That last lap, I just said drill the cushion. If I drag the ass on the wall, drag it. We're gonna run this son of a bitch, whether she likes it or not. Yeah, see? We hooked.
Oh shit.
1 3/4 DOM, baby. That motherfucker don't move.
All right, dude. Fucking finished fourth. Awesome work. How'd it feel?
It was rough. Car was still super tight. We thought we made the right changes. It's going in the right direction. It just, the track never came around to what we were expecting. It's super dry, slick. We were hoping with the moisture we got and how high the humidity was today, the moisture would have stayed, but it went dry, slick, quick.
Yeah.
So the car pushed. Last lap when we figured out that you rail the cushion, you can make lines happen and make passes, and went from 6th to 4th in one corner and went to a checkered flag right after that. So
you're probably still tied for points in the champion.
Yeah,
we're
looking close to being tied. I want to say we'll either be first or second for overall championship points. The kid that finished in front of me, him and I are tied in points. I had a better heat race finish, and he had a better main event finish. So,
congrats, dog.
Thanks, big dog. I appreciate you.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah.
That's it for this one, y'all. Follow me on all the socials. The camera's about to run out of fucking memory, so I'm not gonna say anything. But yeah, send it, baby.